What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So we went to the 5 and Under store. What you got there, babe?
Got the LED gaming mouse pad, 12 lightning modes. Wow.
Okay. What else we got?
We have the bass jacks from Titan headphones.
You should be a spokesman, babe.
We also have the pet harness.
Cute pet harness.
It is a large. Wow.
Large pet
for Molly, probably. Does it have a screw in the bottom? How's it?
Oh, and we found this light, guys, at the makeup store. And it works.
It works. I can see.
I can see you. Okay. Your brother left us.
Hey, leave it, brother.
Alright. And then we found one of these. Another arch balloon kit. I just sold one of these the other day. I'm just wondering all the pieces are in here. Hopefully they are in there. Super. You dropped my Superman heart. That's my Superman. Yeah. Oh, the perfect too, because the shirt's blue. Oh my god. Hey, honey, I'm gonna look without you. Alright, what else is in here, guys? How are y'all doing tonight? Man, we are doing good. We haven't even showed you what we, like, the big score, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. That is gonna be like surprise. So now you're gonna have to stay and watch the video so you can see the huge score. Alright, so we got this charger. Let's see. Oh, this pretty phone case. I wish it was from my phone. And then what was this you said again, honey?
So, gaming mouse pad.
Oh, I need a mouse pad.
There you go, honey.
I needed one. Oh my god, thank you, downstairs guys. It's like, see, I tell you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so that's gonna be ours. There's another charger there too. Charger, little pet thing. What is that? Oh, it sucks. This part's broken, but we could just. Oh, look at the little drawer. Oh no, you pick that up. This is a drawer. It's an acrylic makeup holder. I have to fix that. And then this, we found this at the baby store. It's a 6-in-1 baby food maker. Oh. So it looks like we got all the pieces. But we're gonna have to like check it out later, put it together and see all the pieces. They did spray paint it, but I know how to get that stuff off. So that won't be a problem. Oh. Yeah, let's get everything in here. Okay, I thought you were gonna show it, that's why. You were doing so good.
Cup holder. Oh, I like this.
Alright, I'm gonna put this over here real quick.
Cup holder, phone mount. I like this one. I might keep this for us.
Oh, that's like the one my mom was talking about.
I want this cup holder. You put it in a cup.
And then you mount the phone in it?
Yeah, I think it would be hold better.
Okay, this is all from the 5 and Under store. Another charger. We have this sports bra. Yes, sports bra. Cute. Let me see. So, good condition, not cut. Got this another girls sports bra.
You put this inside of a freaking cup. Glimmer strings.
And a cup. Oh, cute. We got that pure one.
Good, baby.
I know, the cutest plant ever. Look, guys. So cute. Let's see. One queen fitted sheet.
You know how you drink out of the old, the cheap.
Oh, yes. That's pretty. I thought that was real pretty. So we got a queen fitted sheet,
You gotta raise
blue. This phone protector, still good. Alright, we got this Vitek tablet case. So it's a case for a little tablet. Neat. Let me see, maybe that's the protector to this.
Like the butterfly got swatted on there.
Like I got what?
Like it got swatted.
Oh, I don't know where it went. Oh, here it goes. Alright, so I believe this goes here. And we got this dog shirt. It says walk, play, run. Cute. Size medium. That'll probably fit Jax. Let me see. Another screen protector. Look at that, guys. I'm so excited. So excited. Little fuzzy ball. Baby, you should take it out and show it. It's easier. Like, take out the stuff to show what we found. You show me some stuff. Okay, what is that? Oh, it's a little book. A little notebook. It's like somebody wrote in it, but it's so cute. Put it in that. Yeah, I know. And then we have... Oh, it's a shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt.
So let me take off my gloves. Got the Lightyear.
Oh, yes. I was seeing that when I threw it in there. Let me see.
Buzz Lightyear remote control figure. Wow.
That's cool.
Here you go. To infinity and beyond.
Oh, what is that? I wanted to see
a surprise puzzle.
Is that a LOL?
LOL surprise.
I knew it. They're so pink.
Oh, sorry.
It's just two.
Oh, it's like swim shorts for little.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh, this is an outfit. So it's the shirt and the shorts. The whole outfit. That's cute. This would probably fit mom. Pajamas.
Skins for your iPad, baby.
Let me see.
I'm gonna use that little hook if it's in there.
Oh, cute.
It was a little bird, look. A little bird seeing the feet. Hello? Hello, hello?
Hello? I thought it was. That's why I heard somebody talk.
Like
and then what else? Oh,
hello, hello, hello.
pencils. Hold on. And then we got some pencils.
Awesome.
And I'll put this in here. Oh, they're cute. There's some cute stuff. Alright.
Parked on the side.
So it's parked on the side? I heard somebody talk. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do the candle. Alright, the first candle is Saltwater Breeze. Man, that smells good. I'm gonna put this right now. I'm gonna add glass to this. Next candle is strawberry pound cake.
Strawberry pound cake. Does it smell like some pound cakes?
Let me see. Oh my god, that smells so good. Alright.
Only if
this
you know.
This is what I'm gonna do.
Baby, you look so beautiful. Take two. Take two.
Alright, so it's gonna be glass. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Okay, the next one. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Alright, the next candle. Ooh, blueberry. Blueberry maple pancakes.
Ooh, let me smell it. Let me smell it.
So good.
Y'all want to smell it, guys? Let's smell it.
Smell cam. Watch the glass on
You smell that aroma? Can you smell it?
He's like, I can taste it.
Taste it in my nostrils.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Like, no lie.
That smells delicious.
Alright.
Cool.
So the candle's gonna be all bunched too. Bunched up.
Bunched up.
Alright, next bag we got nugget.
Nutmeg, baby.
Nutmeg? Yeah, it's probably creamy nutmeg.
Creamy nutmeg.
It's
like probably smells like coffee, right? Like a coffee-ish smell. No.
It's like a.
Let me see. Like this.
It smells good.
Like cinnamon, kind of. It smells good.
All right.
Cool.
All right. Next bag. These are some really burnt down ones. This one is Aromatherapy Love.
Love.
Ooh. I love. Smells good. And then this one was Mahogany Teak Wood. That one looks like it's kind of burnt all the way. Yeah, that's burnt all the way.
Too burnt.
So that's going to be trash.
It's gonna be trash.
Alright, the next bag. This one's really trashed.
Oh, it's got like green looking.
Alright, this one looks. They didn't break it. Marshmallow Fireside.
What is it called? Marshmallow
Oh my God.
Fireside.
Marshmallow Fireside.
Cool.
But you know what? It doesn't even smell like a marshmallow. It smells like a. I'm disappointed. I am so disappointed in that one. Alright, next bag. We have white mint latte. See what that smells like. My goodness. White mint latte. Go get it, guys. It smells so good. Smell that, babe.
Straight to the glass. Mmm. That smells delicious.
Yes, white mint latte. It's the bomb.
Y'all want to smell it? Let's smell it.
This bag we're gonna put here. Alright, last bag, guys. We have some. Alright, guys, so that was all the candles. All of this is trash. So, another thing is I have show that box. So 1, 2, and then down here I have 2 more boxes.
A little bit of mulch right there. We got that mulch bag.
Oh yeah, and then we found the bag of mulch.
Right there, laying on the ground. It got a hole in it.
And then show these boxes. And then these 2 boxes of
juice bags.
Juice boxes.
Oh yeah,
so
juice boxes.
Whatever I find in here, I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna make a separate video showing what I found, because it's a lot to clean up.
It's a lot.
And so yeah.
Anything
so now
else?
I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the.
See y'all later, ladies and gents.
No, we're not leaving yet.
Not leaving
We gotta
yet.
show them the big score, honey.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look at all the good stuff. You ready?
You ready?
You ready?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? But are you ready?
Okay.
Let's do it. Score.
So we found 30. How many did I say? 30.
36.
36.
36.
36 of these.
Of these.
Stainless
For y'all
steel
grillers.
barbecue tool set.
Everything's there, guys. Everything is there. Look, show them the stuff. There we go, guys. Look at this stuff. Golly.
Stainless steel, guys. These are
Plow,
nice.
cling.
And these are retailed at $49.99.
$49.99. Can you believe that? $49.99. Look at that. Look at that price. Look at that price.
36 of them, guys. Can you believe that? I seen them in the dumpster and I was like, oh my God, praying to the dumpster gods that
of course
they were all in there.
Yeah.
And they were all in there.
Giveaways, guys. Just smash that
yeah, so like I say, the juice boxes, this separate video, and this was everything that we found all together. So all in all, was a good night, I say. Good night. That moat is gonna be cute around our little tree over there. Yeah, and then we found this little styrofoam ice chest looking thing that we're gonna use when we go to the beach. Yeah. But yeah. So that was everything. Oh my gosh, thank you for watching our video. If you stayed the whole way, thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's free, no charge. Give it a thumbs up, share it, tell your friends about our videos.
Hey, sharing is caring.
Go back to our channel. We did make a playlist of all our videos in one place, so you could just press play all and it will play for you, and you don't got to do nothing but sit there, relax, and enjoy. So
you gotta make that popcorn. Just make that popcorn.
yeah, we always gotta have popcorn. But yeah, so that's gonna be it. So we love y'all guys. Thank you for staying
Peace,
with us this long. Peace in the Middle
everybody
East.
stay up for that Rona.
Yes, please. Everybody stay protected. Wash your hands. Use your sanitizers. Always wear your mask. Please always wear your mask. Take care of each other. If you see somebody doing something you know is not right, correct them. Don't even hesitate, because later on they will thank you. All right. Well, until next time. Bye.
Peace.
Peace.